Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, champion leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. We bring you bold, fulfilling prophecy by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the warning jing to Igbo traders in Lagos, that very soon the markets and properties will be destroyed. Sit back and watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.
Even the dry bones in the graves that are beginning to shake, they know the time has come. It's a shame that some people who are still living don't understand that, especially Igbo traders in Lagos. What's that to go? Ladepo is the first phase of this very deadly salvo. They will destroy your businesses. After that, they will take over your houses. When I make work for them, I want you to be writing down what I'm saying. That is why Barrister will say, go and bring your pen and your paper, so that when we are speaking, you'll be seeing it live and direct. What we do here is science. When we tell you that if you mix 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 of oxygen, you will get H2O, which is water. We mean it. If you try it, you will see it. Yoruba, it is the truth. I tell you the truth. I don't care who you are. I don't care if you're holding my life, you take it. Was Shoyinka not corrupt? Was Tai Solarin not corrupt? Name one Yoruba man that isn't corrupt. Name one. Name one that is good. I said name one. Tell me a Yoruba man that served in a public office and went back with his integrity or her integrity intact. Name one person. You can't. Yoruba should stop supporting evil. Yoruba, stop supporting evil. To be remembered.
The arrival of good and evil. It will lead the interaction.
Sorry, because our girl. Meeting done. I will know what we are.
Big 2 majors arriving. They come to verify with their eyes or what they saw on the social media and the television.
Yes. This is part of the year. The started from here. Ayaka.
You can see for yourself the damage that they caused.
Was it built on the canal? No, not at all. No, not at all.
Well, we can walk across and then see whether the canal is big enough. Maybe
Now they want to verify truly if the building was constructed on top of it now. Oscar Odogu. You can see to yourself that the canal is very, very far away from the buildings. It's very clear.
Now that they've not even done the embankment.
And they're supposed to do embankment.
We did the embankment ourselves. Yes. Government should do the embankment.
Exactly.
They've not done that.
But the line is distinct. The canal line is distinct. Clear? No building is on top of the canal.
Another one.
The incoming governor. The incoming governor.
Remove them. This building is condemned by their own action.
By their own action.
This should go down.
As you develop the president, first of all,
The Ajolu Fabi Alubundala. One of the Ajolu Halu. You can see to yourself the sitting president, Senate, with Ogut and Igbo.
wash it back. Wash it back.
They level this building down. This story building, they pull it down.
The gap to canal.
So all this thing went down. All this line. There is a new construction.
Yes.
No. They brought it down.
They brought it down.
Yes, completely.
So the level in yes, sir. So we just grab from there.
No, Oga. No. If there is another way, let's use another. Let's not put it.
If I know Panobo started, if one the mother, I draw on the Lagos State, they are low, not trade fair. Makanaga, what Jolo can be alone. When you kind of name, how Rajolo, I depend that by the grace. I want the Bonebe, the Bumuna Yageponante, in our sitting senator, Victor Ume, Ojukwana Bobia, with the Okutendibo, H.E. Peter Obi. I don't know where you need to go to Jibri, Abari Benokia, not to Tondozi.
¿Cómo está la co? Why did I hear? Let's turn it to a pass. Talaco, ¿cómo está la co? Why did I hear?
They're sponsoring for the back. Yes. That's it.
Yeah. One of the Ajolo had the alo.
Tola, let's go.
We are still going. Yes.
Man of fire now just now. Let him be more. Shift the motor. Hey, try this motor, come on. Hey, go back. Who gave this motor?
They will come.
Yes. Look at them. Yes, this road will block through.
They know. They will do that. Honorable.
Let's move.
There's another build there. Plenty. Oka bụkwa na ganga media service ga ewetara unu ihe na-eme n'Okwusta. Ihe niile ndị Igbo ji biri nsaizi ka abịa na ha anụghị akwụ ụmụnne fa. Maka ndị na-ada emekọ ọnụ na-ekwu na Igbo enwere nwanne, na Igbo enwere nwanne, na Igbo enwere eze. Nwanne Igbo nwere eze, Igbo nwekwa nwanne. Maka na ihe mere ụbọchị taa tụrụ m n'anya. Peter Obi nọ live na trade fair. Victor Ume nọkwa live na trade fair. Abaribe nọ live na trade fair. Ndị ya bụ ekwu okwu ndị Igbo gee ntị acha nọ. The incoming governor of Lagos State under the Labour Party ọ nọkwa na trade fair. I come president. So I see. Honorable, ịkwụ n'ọkụ kwụsị ike, shit adịrọ. Ebe anyị ga-echekwa wee ebe ndị obodo abịa alụ ajọ ọlụ. Ebe ndị obodo alụrụ ajọ ọlụ. Ebe alụrụ ajọ ọlụ. Alezi anya na fe were gị eje n'ọfịa jee golu ndị Igbo develop hechigagwa. One of the ajọ ọlụ ndị obodo alụrụ. Na-edi ajọ ọlụ ha lụrụ. No verse ya. Ọ dị ajọ ọlụ. One of the ajọ ọlụ ha lụrụ dị ya. Ina na-efu na mbata bụ Honorable Ngozi Chukwuemechebe nyanwa na-ele di Intera mmiri ọma na-ekwu Sentino the president flowers na ya akụ nwafọ Oscar Odogwu Board.
President, there is in Kenya for this one. No reason.
No building here without approval from management board.
Do you have copies to show the media now?
Already I have shown you yesterday. We have copies. We would like to have the copies. We will give it to you.
No, yes, because we have to do.
get the federal government to react because they themselves are the owners of this.
Yes.
Not the state government, not the state government.
The people who demolished it are from Lagos state government. Yes. Not from
the commissioner
from the federal government.
The commissioner of fiscal planning. Fiscal planning. Yes.
Lagos state government.
Lagos state.
So is that Obanekoro?
No, not Obanekoro.
Okay. Right?
Yeah. And they always took us on our way.
Did they write any letter?
Nothing.
No did not receive any communication
Nothing.
before they came with their building.
We have done this before. There was a reference. Lodgman first came to this thing, lock the whole gate, 7 days. We partnered with them and they released it, but thinking that everything will be in order. Next is during the time of last year now, they really came here and met people, our task force, on their coming. The reaction when they saw that our task force was this, they shot the tire of the executive director.
Right.
And left.
Is it director of the trade management board?
Yes.
They shot our tire.
They shot our tire. This time around,
What did the federal government do?
nothing.
Imagine at the town hall. This one they did brought the light. They don't wait out for
Brought the lights.
the demolition.
That's what they demolished so many buildings. Let's go and see. Yes.
Address. Oka bukwa dia njọ ndị alụrụ ka na-enene maka na the same thing. The went inside. You can see that no plywood. So everything they went inside.
They came in their lights. Just like when they have already cleared their goods. This man may count a lot of losses. Another one down there.
Around. Maybe he was around. He was around.
Obi nwere ego. Ka obi dị ka obi anya ogogo. Ogo si na ndị Igbo nwekwa mmadụ kwa. Maka ekwu na ndị Igbo nwere mmadụ. Mana ihe mee tata gosiri na ndị Igbo nwere mmadụ.
Easy.
Easy. Cables. Ogude de overfit. Is here. See to yourself. This is money. It's power things for us. Just let him hold on.
That's what you can simply I will approval from federal government before you build any simple thing. Thank you. Whether Minister of Work or Fair Complaint Management Board. Yeah. Fair Complaint Management. Yes. The Federal Minister of Work. Yes. They work over there.
Look, we are doing everything there through their own instruction. They are doing everything here through the instruction of management board, because they are the executive office of the federal government that is here, which are here since 1977. Because this place was unveiled in 1977. Our lease agreement is 50 years and 99 years. Yes. And what happened now? We are confused. Where are these people since 1977 to today for the 25th, which is about 8 years?
There hasn't been any legislation.
No, nothing. No claim, no disturbance. Anything you must do here, management board must know about it.
They want the management board saying about this now.
Management are still saying they are surprised. They don't have any pre-notice that this thing is happening. But they said that they already invited the woman to come.
Who said that?
The commissioner.
Lagos State.
They invited the woman in two occasions.
Who is woman? Please.
Mrs. Vara.
So what's the management board?
Yes.
What's he saying about that?
ED denied vehemently yesterday there was no invitation.
There was no invitation. And even when the ED was explaining to them that they don't have any rights to come here to mark any building or either to demolish anything without her pre-notice, they went ahead and marked the ED office
In her presence.
Yes, in her presence.
I have a question. I spoke with the president about funding. He said you people why
Yes. And they shot someone on the leg too.
After that shooting of this thing, we find out this is something we cannot contain without going to court this thing. So we went to court. And even that court now, they have not been determined before they come for this one. We are in court with
they are in court. They still came.
Yes.
They went ahead to do this.
They shot somebody.
They shot somebody.
Yes.
Yesterday, the guy came and showed the.
The West president, Santi Baba, signboard the Nike, in Wakwaya. Okay, guys, sorry.
During the time of the Sudan.
nwanne anyị na-aga ngarube ka anyị jee gosigasị ndị nwanne anyị nwoke bụ HK Peter Obi with Senator Victor Ume and Senator Abaribe ajọ ọrụ ndị obodo abịa alụ ndị gbadisi ego niile ndị anyị ga-azụ abịa alụcha ụlọ fetikpo mgbanwe laa na-ele nara ego fetikpo etikpo
Side is blocked. Huh? Let people can come like this. Okay, side is blocked. Oh, yes. You are right.
Much traffic this side on this side.
Okay, then let's walk down and enter the vehicle.
So walk here, so go to the management side.
In which kuna gota? Nego guy, they call me president.
Let the vehicles come here. Let the vehicles come here.
They come in, governor, and they see you.
Go one side.
Luau yes, luau. In which Kunagwata, Secretary Stakeholders, President Anazu, Secretary Stakeholders, President Deba, our President Deba. This one is leading. This one is leading. Let him be at the front.
This way you pass. This one will overtake you, so I will show the plate.
Inwe chukwe so mu na moto. Go. Ngwa nke a bụ Secession 1 so na ikaje na Secession 2 ebe akurisi na Sambisa anyị ebe na Secession 1 go data tina phone gị nke som onye kana report kwa n'ụbọchị taa bụ ngwachukwu kwere boy the ganga chief priest ambụtagwo
Yeah, and I like to have life now. Yeah, I go Plaza. I just now love on now. On a happen life now. I need to move everywhere. All the whole Plaza. Oh, you gonna go? We're gonna get our knee there. All the whole building me now here. Now this is what I mean. I need to demolish everywhere. All the whole building, all of them. They could be everywhere. Why not need them? Why not need them now? I need to demolish all the whole plazas together. Yeah, breaking all the whole plazas. And then look at that live this morning. Yeah, I feel like I have see the prison.
Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Other prominent Igbo politicians that visited the trade fair market in Lagos where Igbo investors' properties were demolished, you have only one mission and message for our brothers in Lagos: tell them to stop investing in Lagos, clearly urge them to relocate their businesses back to Biafra region. Invest in Biafra region is the only advice and awareness our people living in western and northern part of Nigeria need to hear now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.